How to find transit number in Royal Bank of Canada. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Here are a few of the ways to find your RBC transit number. First is your check. Look at the bottom left corner of your RBC check. The transit number is usually the first 5-digit number. If not, you can head over and open up your online banking. Navigate to the section that displays your account information. The transit number will typically be listed alongside your account number. Step 3. If you have your RBC application, go ahead and open it. Head to the section where you can view your account details. The transit number should be visible there, or check out your account statement. The transit number is the first 5-digit that is available at the very front. We hope that you go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. That sums up the tutorial as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more.